What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay and I have a BMW X5 behind me right here with some oxidized headlights we're going to be taking care of. Last video was on restoring headlights, so if you want exactly step-by-step on how to restore your headlights, watch the last video. Alright, so my mistake here, I didn't realize that I wasn't in frame. I should have checked before, but it's not going to stop me from putting this video out, so just bear with me. I already started right here, but this is when I didn't really have experience. This car's been sitting at our house for a while. As you can see, I have a shop behind me. It's currently raining. My grandpa built the shop, which is cool. And this is his car, so I'm going to be taking care of it right now. I'm in Sacramento area, so if you guys want the service done for yourself or any detailing service that I provide, interior restoration, buffing, ceramic coatings, clay and seal packages, whatever you guys need, DM me on Instagram. I'll try to drop it down right here. Instagram is the best way to reach me though. Alright guys, so basically when you get your headlights taped up, you want to start by sanding here. And I'm using 600 as I'm starting, moving to 1000 to 2000 to 2500. And basically you want your headlights to look like this before you compound them. Here I'm using my Rupes blue compound, pairing it with the Rupes foam compounding pad. And I'm going to start compounding this, and if you want a step-by-step tutorial, watch my last video. Here I'm using my Rupes yellow finishing polish with my yellow finishing pad, and we're going to do the same thing on the next headlight. So after polishing, use an IPA solution to get all the residue off, and then you can lay a ceramic coating. Here I'm going to be using Adam's graphene ceramic coating. Apply your ceramic coating evenly to your headlight, and then depending on the weather, let it bond for about a minute to 5 minutes before wiping it off. Here I decided to go for 3 minutes for both headlights. Alright, so as you guys can tell, headlights are looking a lot better. This one was completely yellow. Now they're both clear. Obviously they're not perfect. You know, sometimes you won't be able to get to that perfect point, but still I feel like these marks are damaged permanently. If you guys are looking to get the service done for yourself and you're in the Sacramento area, follow my Instagram. Like I said, DM me on there and I can get this done for you. I might be making an interior detail video on this car. I have a new setup. As you can tell, I have a mic. My audio is a lot better. I have a tripod, and yeah, it's going good. I'm excited to actually put this video out because the audio is going to be a lot better quality than my other videos. I'm gonna head out of here because I'm hungry, I'm starving, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. Peace out.